The Snoring Dragon. Long ago, in a bright green valley surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a very unusual dragon. His name was Dozer the dragon. Dozer wasn't scary, he wasn't mean, and he definitely didn't breathe fire. But Dozer had one very big problem. He snored. Not tiny snores, not quiet snores. Dozer's snores were so loud they shook the whole valley. Every night when Dozer fell asleep inside his cozy cave, snore! The ground rumbled. Snore! The trees shook. Snork! Even the clouds wiggled in the sky. The animals in the valley couldn't sleep. The rabbits covered their ears. The owls flew to the next forest. The sheep rolled around saying, "Bah! We need some sleep." Even the frogs stopped croaking. "Ribbit, this dragon snores too loud." One morning, the animals gathered under a big oak tree. The bunny said, "We have to do something." The duck waddled and quacked. "Quack! No one slept all night." The squirrel yawned. "I counted 9,000 acorns and still couldn't sleep." Finally, the wise old turtle spoke slowly. "Well, maybe we should help the dragon." The animals looked at each other. "Help him?" they asked. The turtle nodded. "Maybe he doesn't know he snores." So the animals marched up the mountain to Dozer's cave. Inside the cave, they saw the giant dragon sleeping peacefully. Snore! The wind blew their fur. Snore! Pebbles bounced on the ground. The bunny hopped forward bravely. "Excuse me, Mr. Dragon." Dozer's eyes slowly opened. He rumbled. The animals jumped back a little, but Dozer just smiled. "Hello, friends. What brings you here?" The duck cleared his throat. "Well, the sheep whispered, "You snore very loud." Dozer blinked. "I do?" The animals nodded. "Very loud." Dozer looked embarrassed. "Oh dear, I didn't know. I'm so sorry." The turtle smiled. "That's okay. Maybe we can find a solution together." The animals began to think. The squirrel tried stuffing pillows around Dozer's nose. The frog tried singing lullabies. The duck tried placing a giant leaf over Dozer's snout. Nothing worked. Dozer still snored. Snore! Then the bunny had an idea. What if the dragon doesn't sleep in the cave? The animals gasped. Where would he sleep? The bunny pointed to the lake below the mountain. On the island in the middle. The wind would carry the snores away, and everyone could sleep peacefully. Dozer liked the idea, so that night he flew down to the little island in the lake. He curled up under the stars, the moon shined, the crickets chirped, and soon Dozer fell asleep. Snore! But this time, the snores floated across the water and faded into the night sky. The animals slept peacefully for the first time in days. The next morning, everyone gathered by the lake. The bunny smiled, the duck flapped happily, the sheep cheered, and Dozer waved his giant tail. "Thank you for helping me," he said. The wise turtle nodded. Sometimes problems are easier to solve when friends work together. From that day on, Dozer slept on the island every night. The animals slept peacefully, and sometimes, if you listen very carefully, across the water you can still hear snore, but now it just makes the animals giggle.